Palalambutin ko muna siya para masarap. Adobo ako guys, tapos magkikrispy ako ng balat. Ayan. Ito yung mga ingredient ko sa adobo. Mag-adobo tayo guys. Mag-adobo muna ako. Tapos magpiprito ako, magkikrispy ako ng balat.
This food you will take a little and this little because Madam was told after we have eat this food, I see it's not enough.
When not rice, baby? When?
You will take this rice and this rice all together, Jabaru baby. Because Madam, he told me we have this one enough today. I will see it's little rice, okay? That's why to cook in Janaza. Maybe Papa he want food. When he called me and he need food, I cannot give this food, okay?
Because last night.
This one for
night,
for there. Because the woman she don't know how to cook very well. Food just I make her.
Mingib gara mingib.
Neighbor's house, this house.
Eh?
So I cannot give. Madam, he told me this is enough today. But I see it's very little.
Baba will have it need now.
No. That's why Baba, I have Baba and Madam. Madam, I will explain, Madam, okay? That's why I cook another food, okay?
Finish the separate Baba?
Baba, Madam. Because Madam Kalam, this is for today. Today is very little together, okay? Maroon?
Ito, mag-ano tayo ng chicken skin. Chicken skin guys. Hindi man ako kain ng kanin today. Ayoko kumain ng kanin. Mag-ano lang ako guys, mag-vegetable. Gulay lang kakainin ko, tsaka ito. Okay? Diba ang laki? Yung mga pakpak guys, nakabukod kasi yan eh. Prituhin ko lang. Ay, ano pala, adobohin ko pala yung pakpak. Aray po, init. Aray. Ang laki. Laki ito. O, diba ang laki? Wait. Oh. Wait. Okay, then. Ka-adobo ako ng pakpak eh. Di ba ang laki?